Eastern, Natalie Nita.
Good morning. I'm going to make this a thing that when you see me in my car, it means I'm making a vlog. So today we're doing a spend the day with me vlog, but today is a little different because today is Jamaica's election day. So I'm gonna spend the day with me as I move around, going out of town to vote, but we'll also try to capture some of the excitement on the road and something. Kind of know when it comes to election or Jamaican People Festival and all these things, right? So that's what's happening today. So guys, get ready for that. If you're here and you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that button right now. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and let's chat in the comment section. Let me know what parts of this election day you'll be enjoying from watching this video. So I'm really doing this for people who aren't able to go out and see what's happening or who didn't get to go out, so you can see how election in a pandemic is for Jamaica this year. So let's get going.
For a long time, this area for culture, so you know, where we live now.
Yeah, because then they never did take the people them off the land. But then they build a house here. Yeah, one house next door to their actual house or so. So guys, I just finished. Things aren't really like normal in terms of crowd and so the excitement.
It's very quiet.
It's a very quiet election. Like you still have people outside of the polling station who have them colors and something, but I think 30 people out here probably try to get a little video for you. So inside of the polling now, you have those that are set up right there, and the ones at the entrance, you see you have police, and then those be the people outside at the gates. Not a lot of festivities going on at this polling station as yet, but we're moving on because we are also early. It's just 8:30 in the morning, so we're heading off to another location. We're not going to see open. Rural Clarendon. So this is stop number 2. So it's truly extended. It's been a while since I've been here. Been in mineralized like this. But yeah. This polling station is a little bit more festive than the others.
Already.
Dry then put it to dry.
Oi! Oi! Look, I'm gonna treat them. I'm gonna take a papa get beans.
And then it's the other boot.
When I look at airport, Maxine. Hey, look here. I drive you behind me.
This location is more festive than the one I was at before, and I realized big boot setup. It's an orange painting. And then up there now you have more people. So this is the polling station in very festive in the morning. Yeah, I guess more people are out in for today for this location than other one I was at. So this is where we vote in different locations. So this is one. People coming in them colors and something. Love the excitement. So you realize it depends on the constituency that you go in, how the entrance to the polling stations are. So you realize the first one I went to would have been a PNP stronghold, and this one now is a JLP stronghold. So different things happening in different constituencies. We'll continue to video the excitement.
Appreciate it. Thanks everybody. Yes, I'm packing up my dog now, so I'll catch up with you. Lady is up next, and she'll take good care of you until 1 o'clock inside the express. It is 10 o'clock. Why don't you just save this? So let me just save this right here and pack up and get ready. I encourage you to go out and vote. You have a voice, you have a say, and in doing so, please do be safe. And the protocols are in place for us to follow. So follow the protocols. Keep your distance in the main part of your yard. So, and I should be answer for those who walk a ball the yard. Yes, so you don't linger. You vote and leave, right? So that's the idea. That's how things are going at this time, alright? So you vote and leave. Nobody hug up and bungle up. So you cast your vote and you go to your yard, right? So take it easy. Boy, Corey, continue. Mornings. Yeah. So yeah. And stay tuned to Love 101 FM, the family station, as we provide you with updates throughout the day. Big thanks to Shannon Dale Reed and our friends at My Jamaica today for providing us with some updates this morning. Also to Chevy at Morgan and our listeners for providing us with an update here and there. Really do appreciate it. Inside Fellowship Friends on the family station, Love 101 Gunman.
I really hear somebody in the car? Man, I don't know, so festive. So I stopped by Fireside to get some jerk pork, but the pork not ready yet. Look like it's too early. But the venue nice. May I go check down on Maurice? Down on Maurice that they pork me want. Here outside and inside and so. I'm gonna come. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what's wrong. I'm gonna try to cook it. No. I thought I could cook it on my mouth, you know. Yeah, put on the top. Don't put it on the side. Yes, please. Guys, me never mark that is support there. Oh, Jesus. So we go buy freshwater fish too. Freshwater? Get some fish. And then we'll head back into town. We'll try to catch any festivities we see on the road back home. Yeah. What can I order? Them small salmon. They're small. So guys, the fish, them too small, so we're not bother with that. So, I'm going to leave down Maurice now. If we see any more festivities on the road, we'll video it, of course. But yeah, Mommy round out the pork. Me not eat pork. She only eat pig's tail. The only part of the pork she eats apparently is pig's tail. Daddy take chicken. So I'll taste that. So yeah, time to move. As we see me will mark on the pork here. Can't come. I just have to come get it. So let's go. Chicken soft now. Probably will cut off my finger. Alright. There we go. another mailbox. We should have did a skin instead of with a monkey chase, you know. Eh? Oh, Uncle killed me, guys. Just walking up and down my door today. Aisle 12. Whew. Me and the road tete. Say hi, road tete. Hi. Daddy's staying in the car. Daddy not like this bag of walking up and down in a COVID. So I'm in the car. So this is going to be our last stop before we head home. So anything I'm gonna say after this? The 12 him say? Anything after this will just be excitement on the road. Man say aisle number 12. But me can't say nothing because I not even know if I see the aisle number. It's a 14, mommy. It says 17, so I guess that's how we could go. It says 17. These are nice though. So this was a stop in vain. The man told me aisle number 12 and then somebody else told me so they don't have none. But yeah, let's go home.
Eastern. Natalie Nita.
Maypen is surprisingly very quiet and not very colorful. I'm very surprised at this. So this is Clarendon Central for Zulika Jess and Mike Henry. The town empty, non-quiet also. No bother colors also, no corn also. Jeffrey taxi. Yeah, so we're heading out. Guys, I'm back home, and so when I came back I had to go to work because I work from home, and you know the stipulated government hours was finished, so I had to come back to work. So now I'm just wrapping up the video, guys. I hope you liked the little insight as to how certain things were. The constituencies I visited were in Clarendon. There wasn't much activity in Kingston when I was passing through on my way back home, so there wasn't anything to show. Overall, this election has been a very peaceful one, very quiet. The flow of things were a bit different. When I get through so quick a polling station and little to no excitement going on. Persons were well behaved. I don't know if it's a change in generation. We're looking at things differently or what, but it was a lot different this time around. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Let's talk in the comment section how things were in your constituency for election 2020. Yeah. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that button, of course, guys. So until next time, be safe. Bye.